welcome to my channel. In this video I made Gorditas Dulces Gorditas. This is the way I prepare them. I put half a cup of water and I put 1 cup of sugar and I want it to boil. I also put a little bit of vanilla extract, 1 clove, and a few pieces of cinnamon. I don't want to put a whole cinnamon in there because I don't want it too flavorful. And then while that's boiling, I put 4 cups of regular flour. And then I add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then I also add what it would be the equivalent of 2 butter sticks. I think it's 8 tablespoons each, so a total of 16. And then 3/4 cups of warm milk, 2 eggs, and then let it cool. Bring out the clove and the pieces of cinnamon and let it cool down, and then put in the syrup, and then make the dough, the masa. It took me about a good 5 minutes to get it to where I wanted it so that I could mold it. And then I started making the gorditas. You can make them bigger, smaller, thicker, thinner. This is just an example of the way I made them. And then they go straight into the comal. I didn't put any oil or butter or anything. It took a good 8 to 10 minutes on the lowest heat possible on each side. And once they're cooked, this is the way they look. You can eat them by themselves. You can add butter to them. You can add lechera, condensed milk. You can add cajeta, the way I did. Cajeta is a type of dulce de leche. Or you could even add cream cheese. So I prepared it with cajeta, and I also made Mexican hot chocolate to go with it. So if you like this recipe, I encourage you to make it. And if you like my recipes, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.